Welcome, John from Palm Beach Customs. A little walk around video on the Jeep. We're bringing it out for alignment. It's got the Gen 3 rope winch on there. And we mounted the control box down below the bumper. The oil cooler in there in front of the radiator. The heavy-duty leaf spring shackles with stock leaf springs. Custom front bumper. We welded the D-rings on, the clevises, and beefed it up. This is an original 75 CJ-7 color. It's got the factory steps on it with we put the spray-on liner right on the surface of the steps. It's got the YJ half doors. We're not done with this, but we're just giving you a little idea. It's got stainless steel exhaust, dual exhaust. We're going to remove the sticker on the rear bumper and show you the inside. Got a spare tire sitting in there, factory seats. We're going to be putting a soft top and the AC package on this. It's got solid aluminum wheels, black satin. Rebuilt the doors with all new door panels and door rubbers. Everything nice. It's got the factory steering wheel with the brand new instrument cluster set up, and we put in the USB plugs along with the extra switch panel. Got the Tuffy lock box with stereo. We really don't like putting the stereos in the dash. They normally go right here, and there's really not enough room with the big decks, and it makes it really tight for the heater duct. Has a factory V8 304 3-year unlimited mile warranty. I'll give you a peek inside. Put all brand new overflow tank, wiper washer bottle, master cylinder, all new stainless lines. Framework restoration, all brand new paintless wiring harness, 304 V8, aluminum intake, quick fuel carburetor, 600 CFM. See if I can get you a picture of that. Then we go with the single wire electronic distributor. Get rid of the points. And you can hear this engine purring. Underneath, the hood's done as clean and neat as the outside of the vehicle. Everything's perfect. Clear coated. Inside the fender walls. Everything underneath the firewall. The factory seam sealer. We redo all that. Everything is done with 3M epoxy. 2-stage epoxy seam sealers. It's got the internal regulator alternator. Brand new radiator. Battery box. New battery. And the customer chose the old school look. So this is going to This is going to have the old school Jeep look, you know? Sitting on 31s, 31.5s, Wrangler Duratrax. We spray on bed liner inside the and outside the whole tub. So underneath is this factory, brand new fuel tank, all new body mounts. And this is the brand new glove box. This is a Quadra-Track, original Quadra-Track. We still have yet. We're going to put the dome, you know, the courtesy light underneath the dash when we're all done. We're just bringing it for alignment, and we're going to be tweaking it and finishing it up. Of course, all brand new windshield, all new windshield rubbers, new visors, new rear view mirror, and we love these floor mats by Quadra-Track. They fit in beautiful. And the customer chose on this one to go with the speaker pod in the front. A lot of times we will put them right here where the roll bar goes. And we will be setting a roll bar in this too when we get a little bit closer on the build. All right, make it a great day. John from Palm Beach Customs. And we'll see you on the next build. That's Rod in the picture. He's the guy who assembled it. And yeah, we build these Jeeps right. They come with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the engines. Trannies are all rebuilt. They come with a warranty as well. All the brakes and hubs, everything on the list. You can check the list below this video, and you'll see what we do to these. Everything is new. They are on the higher price point of doing a Jeep, but if you want them right, this is the way to go. And where can you get a brand new 44-year-old Jeep CJ-7 with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty? Make it a great day. John from Palm Beach Customs. We'll see you on the next video.